enjoying your pancakes?
Yes, I'm enjoying my pancakes. Are you enjoying your eggs?
I love eggs.
Pancakes.
Nom, 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 nom.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Good morning.
Morning.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday.
Morning, crooked people. How are you?
Oh, man, you didn't adjust it.
Oh, that's hot coffee. Must be hot because of our new cups.
Our new cups. Thank you, Selena.
Look at that.
Woohoo.
Woohoo!
These are nice. The lids screw on and the top snap closed.
Limited edition Tom and Lori coffee mugs. There's only 2 of them. That's how
Cheers.
limited they are.
Hey, happy anniversary.
Hey, happy anniversary.
I love you.
I love you. Yeah, it's our... What year is this?
It's super easy.
Oh, yeah, it's easy. It's our 24th anniversary.
We met in 2000, so it makes it really easy.
This is our anniversary of when I first laid eyes on this goddess.
Psh. Not the first time I laid eyes on him, though.
Whatever.
That was long ago.
Whatever.
Yeah.
I discovered her 24 years ago.
Well, kind of, yeah. Kind of, yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
All right, everybody. How are you today?
First off, it's a Saturday. It's Saturday Coffee Chat. We're in Tucson. Some idiot scheduled a travel day today, so we're getting this done for you right now.
We are.
Here we go.
All right. You had somebody say that they wanted to see the cracked wheel.
That's
when
right.
We talked about it the other day.
The wheel that we cracked on the Ford, on the truck, was the 3rd wheel we have cracked on that truck. So this time around, I bought completely different wheels. No more of the silver aluminum wheels. I'm done with them. We put some black, good-looking wheels on it.
Ooh, they look nice.
But the cracked wheel, you can see the crack in these 2 pictures right here. And it, you know, you're not supposed to drive when it's like that. So we jacked it up, took it off, put the spare on, and then got it all taken care of. But
yep. But Neil Foreman wanted to see the wheel. So there you go, Neil.
There you go,
That's
Neil.
what it looked like. And like Tom said, that'd be in the 3rd one.
yeah.
So, and Dave, our friend Dave from Our Endeavor, when we told him about it, he was like, gosh, that seems to happen a lot to you guys. And he started researching, and he says, it's pretty common.
It's pretty common, especially on those darn Ford trucks.
Yep. So, and another kind of shout out we want to do, Roy Davis, you met our challenge and you explained the train info to us when we were talking about it last Saturday, how the train horns weren't always blown at, at the intersections. Well, he looked it up and they're supposed to be.
Roy, we appreciate you. We
Thank
really
you
do.
so much. Thanks for that. We appreciate it. All right. Well, thank you, everybody, for watching today. We appreciate you. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And if you have, but you didn't ding that bell, please do that so that we can let you know when we put out a new video. Please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share us with all your friends and family you want to torment. Last Saturday we chatted with you, and we had already arrived. No, we didn't. Oh, yes, we did. We had already arrived here in Tucson.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, one of the first things I wanted to do was vacuum. And I got to vacuum on solar. It has been so cool. So before we had all this wonderful solar and the lithium batteries, I would have to use like a little battery operated vacuum to pick up things, and I would brush the carpet to get all the hair up and wait until we were in a park with full power, or wait until Tom puts on the generator or something so that I could actually do vacuuming. But I got to vacuum on solar. I love it.
It's really kind of
awesome.
cool, and we'll do a complete solar wrap-up review in the next few weeks, probably toward the end of March, 1st of April. We'll give you an update on the new solar install and the lithium batteries and things like that. Just to touch on it really quick, the last 2 days here in Tucson hasn't been hardly any sun. There's been thunderstorms and rain Thursday and Friday. Both days Our batteries were at 100% on Thursday before it started raining. This morning, we wake up, they're at 28%. So we are using them the way they're supposed to be used.
Yeah, and we ran the furnace quite a bit because it was pretty chilly last night.
So and it's been getting down to right about 40 each night. So it's cool. But hey, the batteries are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Sun's out. Going to be a nice sunny day today, and we'll charge them right back up.
Yeah.
But the complete review is coming up toward the end of this month, 1st of April, something like that.
Woo, yay. So after I did that, I did some diamond painting just because we had gotten set up the rest of the way after we arrived on Friday. And so I did some of that. That's a quick and easy, crafty stuff for me to do. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I've got a little tray that I've got it on all the time. So that's even a good thing for me to do when we're travel days, so that I'm not dragging out a bunch of my card stuff. You were working on video stuff, obviously, doing the chat video and everything. And then I just kind of went over and visited with Selena.
It's been nice being here with her.
She was gone most of the day. Her granddaughter does, I don't know if it's actually 4-H or if it's just shows. She has goats that she raises and shows and breeds them and everything. So Selena was gone most of the day to that event. On Sunday, you and I got to it with helping Selena out in her shop, getting things moved around and organized and cleaned out and all the trash.
Misorganization right here.
Selena's that way too. And she kind of wanted things moved around the way she wanted them. And she had done a big purge. And so now she was getting things in order and things needed to be swept out and cleaned out. And so that was good. It always helps make her feel good and gets her mojo going of all the things that she wants to do and get done. I also defrosted the fridges because I knew that on Monday I was going to want to go get groceries and we were going to run to Costco and stuff.
Our monthly reprovisions.
Yes.
We've kind of cut that back to just once a month.
Yep, for the most part, except for, like needing to grab a gallon of milk or a loaf of bread or something.
But once a month we'll go into the Walmart and get what we need and hopefully not have to go back.
Yep.
Can you tell how much I love Walmart?
Yeah, we've really been trying to avoid that as much as possible. So on Monday we went to go to Costco. We had our annual rebate coming back to us, so we went there and picked up a couple of our Costco things that we only get at Costco. And so the rest of that day is pretty much putting the groceries away because I separate things into portion control. For us, our cereal bags, our snack bags, the meat, everything gets
repackaged.
Well, yeah, it does get repackaged into portions, and it fits better in our storage when I do it that way.
Our pantry and
Yep.
your hidden places throughout this RV. I still have never found where she hid those cookies. That's all I'm going to say.
And then I clean all of the produce and put it in their containers. And so then after that, I kind of went over and visited with Selena. So trying to get in as much visiting as possible in this week because she's got stuff that she's doing too. So Tuesday I got some laundry done, got sheets washed and all that kind of thing. Just kind of puttered around and finished putting away little grocery things, random things that were just still left out. And groceries, and that means household goods and all that too. The dog and cat food and everything. And then Wednesday was kind of full bore helping Selena again too, with her in her craft room and she has like big tractor trailer. And so we were going through that. We were looking for something in particular, and we had gone through the house and her RV and the shop, and she has a lot of places here so on this property. So we were going through everything, and we finally found what we were looking for. Yay! So that made us happy that we found what we were looking for and got things cleaned and organized and put away, and it kind of refreshed her memory of where certain other things were. So she had been going through a lot the past few years, and so this just kind of helped in a lot of ways. And on Thursday, we had another fun day.
Yes.
So she took us to a restaurant called BK's down here in Tucson. And what do they have?
Sonoran hot dogs. Sonoran dogs.
Yeah, so the very first year we came to Selena took us to lunch to have Sonoran hot dogs.
I never heard of it until then.
Nope, me neither. Me either. I'm not a huge hot dog fan, but I did try it that first year.
Really, it's just a hot dog.
It is, but
it's loaded with stuff.
And it's in a different kind of bun.
It is. It's a
in
different
a
bun.
different kind of bun, and it's loaded with, what does it have? Beans and tomatoes and onions and peppers.
It's just so much fun.
I don't know if it
to
has
eat
cheese
because
on it or not.
it just goes everywhere.
It's pretty messy. It's pretty messy. So she took us so that you could go get your Sonoran hot dog.
Yep.
And then, okay, this was really cool.
It was. We never did finish talking about it. Are we going to do a video on it?
Yeah, we'll do a video on it.
Do a
So we're
complete
not going to
video.
show you anything right
We're not
here.
going to show it to you, but we're going to do a complete video on what we're beginning to talk about right now.
Right. We went to the Titan Missile Museum. So, obviously, back in the Cold War, where there were missile silos in...
All over.
No. Kansas,
That's all over.
Arkansas, and Arizona.
That's all over. All over the U.S.
Anyway, there were missile silos. Well, this one here is kept intact so that they could do a museum, and they do a tour.
It was incredible.
It was awesome. You go down into the silo next to the missile. It's incredible. And
way underground.
Yeah, and you do this simulation, and it's pretty cool. So we will be showing you pictures and video and everything from that experience. But right now, this is something that we got there. So, the wonderful astronauts, this is mint chocolate chip freeze-dried ice cream sandwich space food. Ready to eat. So we're going to try this right now.
We are?
Yeah, since we just had breakfast. So we're gonna try this. Want us to try this now? Tom's like, ew, I don't like that anyway. How am I gonna like it freeze-dried? Freeze-dried. Oh, look at that. It looks like a little ice cream sandwich.
You've got to be kidding me.
It looks just like an ice cream sandwich, but it's hard and crunchy. I think I'm gonna...
Don't take it apart.
Well, it's falling apart. Here, you have that half, I'll have this half.
It doesn't feel the weight of an ice cream sandwich.
It feels like nothing. Oh, wait, here's a napkin. It's like a cookie.
Aren't you supposed to put like water in it to make it grow?
I don't think so.
Watch, we're probably not supposed to eat it like this.
Hey, it doesn't taste bad. Let's see, what does the directions say? There are no directions.
Golly. I'm having a second bite.
It's like a cookie. Yeah, ready to eat, no refrigeration needed.
Okay, it's not that bad. I don't care for the flavor.
I love it because I love mint.
Yeah, I'm not a minty person. Have you all noticed that?
He's a spicy person. It's actually not bad. It tastes like a cookie, a mint chocolate cookie.
Yeah, okay.
Now I'm going to finish mine.
Wow. Well, I did mine.
So, the tour was super, super fun. I highly recommend it if you are ever in the Tucson area.
Yeah.
Selena was born and raised here and had never been, so it was fun for her to go to.
Yeah, it was a great tour. We did the top tier because there's different things you can pay to go see. We did the top one, and it was just incredible.
Unfortunately, it was pouring rain, so we didn't get to do the outside section, which was part of what we paid for.
It was actually hailing, real hail,
earlier in the
day, so we didn't do it, but it was pouring down rain, so we couldn't go stand outside and look directly down on the missile.
They have it glass over the opening where the missile would come out.
The launch pad.
And you can look straight down into it. So when we were down in the silo, we got to look down it from like halfway.
Yeah,
and
got
like
to look
up.
at it and you could see up. But
But it was
pretty interesting.
still
Something for everybody to do if you're
fantastic.
in the area in Tucson. You definitely don't want to miss this.
Fantastic. Yep.
Yeah.
We want to give a shout out to our friend Huckleberry Chris.
Hey, man.
And his pretty little doggy Cheyenne.
Chris,
We're thinking about you.
always thinking about you.
Yeah, we're thinking about you. Thank you for still watching us. We appreciate you. Give that puppy dog a hug.
Yes.
Give your son a hug too for taking such good care of you.
Yeah.
On yesterday, you worked on some video stuff. I did a lot of stuff with Selena. Just kind of puttered around the house, getting ready for travel day today on Saturday, and preparing for this video. Travel day on video day. Dave, you need to scold him. Something else we wanted to mention, and since we're heading back to Gila Bend tonight, and we stay on the parking lot for free. However, we do patronize Humberto's, and we go over to Little Italy because we really like their food. And so it's not a free stay. However,
Get this.
when we calculated what we spent and how many meals we actually got out of all the food.
And we rounded these numbers off.
Oh, yeah, you were supposed to do the math because
Yeah.
we spent like about $80.
It
But
was
it came out to like 12 meals.
12
for that
meals
$80.
for the $80
So y'all can do the math.
that we spent, and it came out to $6.67, I think, per meal per person is all it cost us for those 12 meals for a free night stay behind Humberto's. So
We had to eat anyway, right?
yeah, we got to eat, and yeah, maybe we had food, but this just stretches our food budget out a little further.
Hey, it saved water
Yeah,
for me
didn't it?
having to prepare meals.
Yeah.
So I did have to warm things up, but
Because we had a couple comments, people said, you don't really stay for free on those lots if you go in and spend money at the business. It's like, true, you don't.
well, you're showing your appreciation for allowing them to let you stay in a legal place
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
So
But anyway, we thought that was a pretty good deal, because in this day and age, for one person to eat for $6.50, you can't hardly find that anymore.
no,
You know,
not eating out, not food that's been prepared
The
for you.
world's gone crazy on pricing, so we thought that was
Yes,
a pretty good
it
deal.
has. Yes, it has. Well, we hope that you all have a wonderful week. We had a fun-filled,
We did.
action-packed week.
We love staying here with
We love
Selena and visiting.
Yeah, next year we need to plan longer,
It's a blast.
not just 1 week.
But now it's time to hit the road, and it's almost time to hit the road to go north.
Not north that way, but north that way. I don't want to go that way yet,
Oh,
unless it's in a spaceship.
there we go.
Here we go. All right, everybody. You
Thank
have a
you guys
wonderful
for
week.
watching.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Bear, are you ready for breakfast? Mommy and Daddy had theirs already on.
Hey, you ready for breakfast? Of course you are. Want some food?
Where is it? Is it
Where's
up
your
there?
food?
She's like, something you guys were eating is up there.
You're ready to eat, aren't you? Take 3. Nom 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 nom. Dang it, fell out of my mouth. Take 4. Nom 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 nom. I forgot to smile.
Nobody wants to hear that.